Hey, Costello, come here a minute. Come here, will you please? What's all the excitement about? What are you so happy about? Oh, look at it.
Ooh, we're gonna have fun.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, unless it's a small one, like the pilots, I want the pilots to come up. I want. All right, then just call 11. Don't worry.
And now you're all set.
Thank you.
Take care. Have fun.
Driver's license only if paying with credit card.
Sorry, I'm like here representing somebody. So.
Oh, okay. Are you from Thumb?
Yeah, 2-23, we've got World War II military receiver here.
With the generator built in the side, it works when there's no power. How about $10 on a military receiver? $10 where? 10 on the bill, 10 nat 1250, 10 bid nat 1250, 10 nat 1250, now 15, 1250 now 15, 1250 now 1750, 15 now 1750 now 20, 1750 now 20, 20 now 2250, 20 now 2250 now 25, 2250 now 25, 25 now 2750, 25, 2750 now 30, 2750 now 30, 2750 now 30, 30 now 3250, 30 now 3250 now 35, 3250 now 35, 3250 now 35, 3250 going once, 3250 going 35, now 3750, 35 now 3750 now 40, 3750 now 40, 3750 going once, twice, sold, 3750 number 29. $5 on a Helicrafters, $5 where? 5 on a Helicrafters, 5 now 750, 5 then now 750, 5 now 750, 750 now 10, 750 now 10, 750 now 10, 750 now 10, 750 going once. So 10 nat 1250, 10 nat 1250, 10 nat 1250 now 15, 1250 now 15, 1250 now 15, 1250 going once, twice, sold number, sir, 18.
We 33-8, we've got an Outwater Cat coffin set.
$5 on a coffin set, $5 where? $5 now, $5 now 750, 5 now 750 now 10, 750 now 10, 750 now 10 nat 1250, 10 nat 1250, 10 nat 1250, 1250 now 15, now 1750, 15 now 1750, 15 bid now 1750, $15 going once, twice, sold number, sir, 8.
All right, 11-31, we have a Beltron CRT test.
Ah, where's all our people?
Nice color.
It was
Rejuvenator, yep, they got some adapters in there with it. Okay, how about $10 on a Beltron, $10 where, 10 on a Beltron, $10 where?
If you need a color CRT tester, this is the one to have.
5 on a Beltron, 5 has been now 750, 5 now 750, 5 has been now 750, 750 now 10, 750 now 10, 10 now 1250, 10 now 1250, 10 now 1250, now 15, 1250 now 15, 15 now 1750, 15 now 1750, now 20, 1750 now 20, now 2250, 20 now 2250, 20 now 2250, now 25, 2250 now 25, now 2750, 25 now 2750, 25 now 2750, 25 going once, twice sold, 25 40-inch. You're getting the Pilot 3-inch TV,
plus the magnifier. Nice, unfold around the pilot. The knobs are all there, and you're getting the magnifier. Marla, grab the magnifier and hold that up a little low.
Yeah, different places near that.
With the stand, the magnifier has a stand, okay. How about $100 on the pilot, $100 where, 100 is bid now 110, 100 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 now 110 now 120, 110 now 120, 110, 120, 130, 140, 130, looking for 140, 130 looking for 140, 140 now 150, 140, 150, 160, 150 looking for 160, 150 now 160, 150 now 160, 150 now 160 now 170, 160 now 170, 160 now 170, 160 going once, 160 going twice, so $160.
16, we have a Motorola, I believe this is a 12 or a 14-inch set.
Very rare Motorola portable.
Yes, portable. I've never seen another one of these.
How about 20 on a Motorola portable? $20 where? 20 on a Motorola portable, $10 on a Motorola portable, $10 on a Motorola, $5 on a Motorola. 5 is bid now $750, $750 now 10, 10 now 1250, now 15, 15 now 1750, 15 now 1750, now 20. 20 now 2250, 20 now 2250, 20 now 2250, now 25, 2250 now 25, 2250 going once, 2250 going twice, so 2250, number 15.
Transoceanic.
Transoceanic wave magnet. Where's my bid at? $20, $10, $5, $5. I've got 5 looking for 7, 7.5, sir. I've got 7.5, 10. 7.5 bid, now 10. $7.5 bid, now 10. I have 7.5 in the front row, looking for 10. I'm gonna sell it, $7.5. I've got 10. Looking for 12.5. $10 bid, looking for 12.5. I've got $10 bid, looking for 12.5. I'm gonna sell it, sold.
So you have a Centaur,
Very nice Centaur, dual trace oscilloscope,
and the box.
waveform analyzer, and you're getting the probes with it. I know one of the probes is good, okay? This is a working scope.
20, 20, 20, 20, 10, 10, 10, 10, 5. $5 bid, 7.5. $5 bid, 7.5. 7.5 and 10. And 12.5, sir. I bid 12 and I bid 10 in the back, looking for 12.5. I bid 10 in the back, looking for 12.5. 20, 12.5. 12.5 and 15. And 17.5 and 20, sir. And 22.5 and 25, sir. And 27.5. I bid 25 in the back, looking for 27.5. 25 in the back, looking for 27.5. Sold. 25 to number 25.
All right, what do we have next?
Next we have, the classic RCA.
All right. 22-4. All right. I believe that has 2 hairline cracks. I believe it has one on each side, Bob.
Yes, it does.
All right, just wanted to disclose that, but still nice looking radio. How about 5 to go on it? 5 I have now, 7.5, 7.5 now, 10, 12.5, 15, 17.5, 20, 2.5, 5, 7.5, Joe, 27.5 I have now, 30, with a 34, 27.5 I have now, with a 30, 30 I have now, 32.5, we get 32.5 anywhere, sold at $30 number, sir, all the way to the back, $30 number 27.
How many are here? 53 tested 12AX7s. Now, these have been tested by the consignor on a 539C tester. They are all good, okay? And we had tubes from them before. Their measurements are accurate. So these are 53 good 12AX7s.
All right. How about $100 to go on the 12AX7s I have now, 125, now 150, Bob, 150 I have now, 175 I have now, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300, 325, 325, 300 I have now, 325, would you get 325 or 325 anywhere? 325 I have now, 350, 375, sir, 400, 425, would you get 450 I have now, 475, would you get 475 I have now, 500 I have now, would you get 525, 525 I have now, 550, would you get 575, 575, I'm at 550, would you get 575, sold at 550, number 13.
Okay, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Okay? These you are getting both of the Telefunken ELA M251 condenser microphones. Okay? Both microphones. You're going to put them in the cases. You're going to get both power supplies. You are getting one cable. There is only one cable. Both of these microphones have been tested by me personally. Both of the power supplies were powered up on a Variac. The mics were tested. They both have clean, clear output. They're 50 years old. You're probably going to want to service them. The cable needs to be repaired. You are getting 2 extra power supply connectors. One for that cable, one you could for your next cable. These cables are available. There is a mild reserve on these, okay? These are fresh from an estate. I don't think they've been in regular use in a long time, okay? You know what you're bidding on. You've seen them up close? Okay. We know what the reserve is.
All right. How about $5,000 to start these out? $5,000 anywhere. 5 I have now, 6. Would it get 6 I have now, 7 anywhere. 7,000 I have now, 8. Would it get 8? 9? 9. The reserve's off. $9,000 I have now, 10. Would it get $10,000?
Yes.
10 I have now, 11. 12. Would it get 12,000 I have now, 13. 14,000, 15,000, 16,000. Would it get 17,000? I'm at 16,000. Would it get 17,000?
Yes.
17,000 I have now. 18, 19, 20. $20,000. Would it get 21,000?
Yes.
21 I have now. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36 I have. $36,000. 36 going once.
36.5.
All right, 36.5 I'll take now. 37,000. 37,000 I have. Looking for 37.5. 37.5 anywhere? $37,000 going once. $37,000 going twice. Sold it. $37,000.
Thank you, sir. Please get the Brinks truck up here.
Hey, Steve, was
There's a factory.
you?
Yeah.